the right desk and workspace is almost the same as turning a house into a home. You can sit there for hours on end, working or watching any movie or TV show, and you can't wait to show everyone how good it looks. And let's just say the Vernal I-shaped standing desk gives me that same feeling. So for the past few months now, I have been trying to change my work setup to something different, a different color, a different look, and honestly, just a different vibe. Vernal were kind enough to send me their I-shaped standing desk along with some great accessories, a desk shelf, a file cabinet, and of course, a cable management tool. These three things are literally what you're seeing. So let's see how these pieces come together to create my dream setup. So one thing I have to say is that it is easy to assemble. It approximately took me an hour or an hour and a half to put it all together as the table comes pre-assembled, which is very dope. The color of my desk is something I was very particular about. So in the past year, I have had a gray tabletop which looks very minimalistic, but as months passed, I craved something different, a brown oak color, and lucky for me, Vernal had exactly the color I was looking for. So this is the walnuts with the black frame, and my first impressions were very positive. So when you want to get a standing desk, two things should always be on your mind: how durable the desk can be, and of course, how high the desk will get. So with the ones that Vernal sent me, it ranges between 22.8 to 48.4 inches. It is super versatile because I'm 6'2" in my height, and it adjusts perfectly to whether I'm sitting down or even standing up. It's got this very smooth and honestly quiet motor that makes transitions effortless. Like seriously, the sound is almost futuristic at the same time. Very nice. Another feature I'm loving is the memory presets. You can save up to 4 custom heights. For me, I've set one for sitting and of course one for standing and another for a mid-height position when I like to lean on my stool. Now this desk can handle up to 350 pounds and that's huge. So on my desk, I've got my monitor, my M1 Max Studio, a few books, and even some decor like the fake plants on the left and on the right. And so far, it hasn't wobbled or feels unstable at all. It's built like a tank, but looks pretty sick at the same time. So let's address something we all struggle with when we want to create a desk, that is cable management. Vernal's cable management tool is a game changer. It's super easy to install and keeps all my cords tucked away neatly. I can't tell you how satisfying it is to just have a workspace that looks this clean. It's such a small detail, but it makes a huge difference in how the setup feels overall. So next up, the desk shelf, and this little addition does so much more than just having a good look. It's perfect for creating extra vertical space. So this houses my M1 Max Studio or even the M4 Mac Mini. It houses my notepad, extra lenses, pens, and a lot more other things. Now at the top, I can put up my tablet or even a picture frame if I want to. The possibilities are honestly endless. So the file cabinet is something I was kind of skeptical about because I kept wondering what I would use this for. But when I say that this adds to the vibe of my workspace, I'm not joking. So the file cabinet has got plenty space for my essentials, documents, notebooks, even some tech accessories that I have lying around the house. Now, what I love most is how sleek it looks. It matches the desk perfectly and doesn't take a ton of room. Plus, it's very sturdy enough to double down as a side table for my coffee. It also has wheels at the bottom so I can just move it as frequently as I want to if I want to redesign my workspace. So why do I love this setup? Apart from it being personal, it's all about balance. Having a standing desk like this lets me switch things up throughout the day. I can sit when I want to focus. I can stand when I want to keep my energy up. Studies do show that alternating between sitting and standing can boost your productivity and reduce back pain. I've definitely felt a difference. It's been a game changer in my daily routine. Another thing I would like to appreciate Vernal for is their commitment to sustainability. This desk is FSC certified, which means it's made with responsibility source material. It's a small step towards a greener future, and I'm here for it because at the end of the day, this world we live in is ours and nobody else's. And oh, did I mention that you get a 15-year warranty? Yeah. 15-year warranty. Vernal clearly stands behind their products and gives me so much confidence in my investment. At the end of the day, your workspace should feel like a place you want to spend all your time in. And with the Vernal I-shaped standing desk, the desk shelf they sent me, the file cabinet, and cable management tool, I finally have a setup that works for me. Functionally, and aesthetically. If you're thinking about upgrading your workspace, I can't recommend Vernal enough. From the thoughtful design to the top-notch build quality, they've truly redefined what a workplace can be. And they've also been good in terms of communicating and their customer service, so that is also a plus. So if you're ready to transform your workspace, check out Vernal's products using the link in the description below. Trust me, you won't regret it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you have any questions about my standing desk or anything on my desk, just hit me down in the comments below and I will be happy to answer. So with all that being said, my name is KJ and I'll catch you guys in the next one.